Welcome back to Bike Review Pro, where we review motorcycles from a real rider's perspective. Today, we're taking a closer look at an exciting and highly capable adventure motorcycle, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. This bike is designed for riders who want strong off-road ability, long-distance comfort, and Honda's trusted reliability, all in one well-balanced package. The CRF lineup has always represented durability, off-road confidence, and performance you can trust. With the CRF 750L, Honda brings those values into a modern adventure touring platform. This motorcycle is built for riders who want to explore beyond paved roads without dealing with overly heavy or complicated machines. The CRF 750L focuses on versatility. It's meant to handle highways, rough back roads, gravel trails, and long journeys with equal confidence. A design and adventure presence. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L features a rugged, purpose-driven design. Its tall suspension, high ground clearance, slim bodywork, and upright stance immediately show its off-road intentions. Everything about the design feels functional rather than flashy. The narrow midsection allows easy movement when standing on the pegs, while the wide handlebars give excellent control on uneven terrain. It looks ready for serious adventure riding, whether in mountains, deserts, or remote trails. Engine performance and riding character. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a parallel twin engine tuned for smooth power delivery and strong torque. Instead of focusing on extreme top-end performance, Honda has optimized the engine for real-world riding. A low and mid-range power makes slow-speed off-road riding easier and more controlled. On highways, the engine feels relaxed and stable, allowing riders to cruise comfortably for long distances. Throttle response is smooth and predictable, which builds confidence on loose surfaces. Transmission and control. The gearbox on the CRF 750L is designed for mixed riding conditions. Gear ratios are well spaced, making the bike comfortable in city traffic, capable on highways, and controlled during off-road riding. Clutch operation is light and smooth, reducing fatigue during long rides or technical trail sections. The overall riding experience feels refined, cooperative, and rider-friendly. Chassis balance and handling. One of the biggest strengths of the CRF 750L is its balanced chassis. Despite its adventure-ready size, the bike feels stable and manageable. Weight distribution is well thought out, making low-speed control easier and high-speed riding more confident. On paved roads, the bike feels planted and predictable through corners. Off-road, it allows natural rider movement and remains composed over uneven terrain. Suspension, built for real adventure. The suspension on the 2026 CRF 750L is designed to handle serious mixed-terrain riding. Long suspension travel helps absorb bumps, rocks, potholes, and trail obstacles while maintaining stability during braking and cornering. The setup strikes a strong balance between comfort and performance. It's capable on rough trails while still being comfortable enough for long highway rides. Braking performance and safety. Braking on the CRF 750L is progressive and confidence-inspiring. The brakes provide strong stopping power without sudden bite, allowing riders to control braking effectively on both pavement and loose surfaces. This predictable braking behavior is especially important during adventure riding, where terrain and traction can change quickly. Electronics and Rider Aids. Honda equips the CRF 750L with modern electronics that enhance safety without overwhelming the rider. Rider aids, such as traction control and selectable ride modes, help the bike adapt to different conditions. These systems work smoothly in the background, supporting the rider while keeping the riding experience simple and focused. Instrument cluster and controls. The digital instrument cluster is clear, modern, and easy to read in all lighting conditions. It displays essential information such as speed, fuel range, gear position, and in ride mode without clutter. Controls are intuitive and glove-friendly, making adjustments easy during long rides or off-road situations. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its off-road capability, the CRF 750L offers excellent long-distance comfort. The upright riding position reduces strain on the back and shoulders, while the seat is designed for extended hours in the saddle. Wind protection is sufficient for highway riding without making the bike feel bulky. The ergonomics allow smooth transitions between seated touring and standing off-road riding. Touring capability and practical use. The CRF 750L is a true adventure motorcycle, not just a trail bike. It supports luggage systems well and remains stable even when fully loaded. Fuel efficiency and range make it suitable for long-distance travel, including remote routes. Whether riding solo or with a passenger, the bike maintains its composure and comfort. Daily riding and ownership. In everyday use, the CRF 750L feels surprisingly manageable. It can handle daily commuting while still being ready for weekend adventures. Honda's reputation for reliability and low-maintenance ownership adds strong peace of mind. This is a motorcycle built to be ridden often and trusted over the long term. Who is the Honda CRF 750L for? The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is ideal for riders who want strong off-road capability combined with touring comfort. It suits adventure travelers, trail explorers, and riders looking for one motorcycle that can do everything well. It's especially appealing to riders who value balance, durability, and confidence over extreme performance numbers. But the 2026 Honda CRF 750L represents a smart blend of Honda's off-road heritage and modern adventure touring needs. It delivers strength, comfort, and versatility in a well-balanced package. For riders searching for a dependable adventure motorcycle that performs equally well on highways and rugged terrain, the CRF 750L stands out as a strong and trustworthy choice.